I know I'm looking pretty bad, but I still work. Iowa Mom, can you help me out?
Hi, this is Lena Shea and Iowa Mom, and these old lawn chairs look pretty bad, but I really didn't want to throw them out, so I've decided I'm going to try and restore them. I'm using the stream setting on my hose and washing them as thoroughly as I can, first just with water, and I wash them the top and the bottom, all the way around. Since mine are so dirty, I'm scrubbing them thoroughly with a little dish soap on a stiff brush. I give it a good rinse and make sure all the soap is off. Then I let them dry overnight to make sure they are thoroughly dry before I paint. Make sure your paint covers plastic. It needs to say that it does. I recommend the 2X Ultra Cover. It works really great. The bargain stuff doesn't cover near as well, and it takes 2 or 3 coats, so I'm still saving money. I paint outside on a tarp and watch out for what could get painted behind me. And I wear what I don't care to get painted. To avoid paint on my hands, I wear a glove. Shake the can, make sure that you can hear the little ball inside there until it moves freely. I'm going to do the back side because when I'm done, I want to have the front side all smooth and it won't have any overlap. I hold the can about a foot away and give a light dusting of the paint over the whole surface. Without having to wait for that dusting to dry, I just go over it again. Using a fine spray keeps it from pooling up and running. Remember to shake every so often to keep that paint flowing evenly. We're going to let that dry about an hour before we turn it over to do the top coat. If we turn the can upside down, it stops paint from flowing and a little air will go through. It's a good idea to do that to keep the nozzle from plugging up while we wait for that paint to dry. If we tip the can too much, it's going to stop the flow of paint, so you want to keep it so the nozzle's on the top. Even though I've got a little bit of an angle, it's still on the top. When my finger starts to hurt, I just change to my thumb. This is Lena Shea and Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching. On YouTube.com and Iowa Mom Videos, select the video tab to find a full list of all my videos.